Securely provisioning resources. In telecommunication, provisioning involves the process of preparing and equipping a network to allow it to provide new services to its users. Provisioning is the set of all activities required to provide one or more new information services to a user or group of users. Securely provision resources addresses asset inventory, asset management, and configuration management. Asset inventory is the way an organization lists and provides details of the assets it owns. Asset inventory are all physical and virtual assets, which includes hardware, software, firmware, and more. IT asset is any financially valuable component that can contribute to the delivery of an IT product or service. The purpose of the IT asset management practice is to plan and manage the full life cycle of all IT assets. IT asset management practice help the organization to maximize value. IT asset management practice help the organization to control costs. IT asset management practice help the organization to manage risks. IT asset management practice help the organization to support decision-making about purchase, reuse, and retirement of assets. IT asset management practice help the organization to meet regulatory and contractual requirements. Configuration item is a service asset that needs to be managed in order to deliver an IT service. Configuration management system holds all the information about configuration item within the designated scope.